how to boot and install Windows 10 operating system in Dell optiplex 3050 i3 7th generation desktop computer. If you have trouble with your desktop computer and not start correctly Windows operating system in your desktop computer, today I'm going to show you how to boot and install Windows 10 operating system and fix starting Windows in your desktop computer. Hello friends, I'm Prajan Rai and you are watching now Mission Top Tech YouTube channel. So without any late, let's get started. For boot and install Windows operating system in this desktop PC, now I'm going to using this bootable USB drive to boot this desktop PC. So I'm going to insert this bootable USB drive on my computer. And you can check this card video for how to make bootable USB drive. So after insert bootable USB drive on my desktop PC, now I'm going to restart my computer. While restarting computer, I'm going to press F12 for open boot options. Okay, as you can see, this is the one-time boot menu. And now I'm going to choose USB storage device here and press enter in my keyboard. While starting, press enter on my keyboard. And here now we need to choose language to install options, and I'm going to choose United States, and we need to choose time and currency format also. I skip these options, and you can choose your keyboard or input method. I'm going to set as US and then click on next. And after that, in this screen we need to click on install now button. Okay, now here is asking product key for Windows activation process, but today I'm going to install Windows operating system without product key. So you can see here one option is here, I don't have a product. You need to click here to install without Windows product key. So we need to click here in I don't have a product key options. So I'm going to click here, and now here is several options of Windows operating system type. Today I'm going to install Windows 10 Home 64-bit operating system, and now click on next. And here now we need to accept the terms and license. So I'm going to turn on check mark here and click on next. And here we don't click on upgrade options. We must click here in custom install Windows only advanced options. And as you can see, here is partition 1, it's system reserve, and partition 2 is primary partition. And this is the C drive where we can see as a C drive in this PC Windows Explorer. So first of all, we need to choose partition 1 and delete this partition. After deleted this partition, it's showing as unallocated space. Total size 500 MB and free space is 500 MB as well. And then the partition 2 has showing as partition 1, and we need to select this partition 1 and delete this partition also. And then the unallocated space partition has 97.7 GB and free space is same as well. And now we need to choose this unallocated space partition and click on new button and click on apply and click on OK. And then as you can see, the system reserve has been successfully created. And now the unallocated space partition has created as two partition 1 system reserve and partition 2 primary partition. So now we need to choose partition 2 and click on format and click on OK. And now click on next to install Windows operating system from bootable USB drive, and this partition 2 will be created as C drive in this PC Windows Explorer window. So now I'm going to click on next to install Windows operating system from my bootable USB drive. So now I'm going to click here. This is the window of installing Windows operating system, and as you can see, we need to wait for getting file ready for installation. Percentage is complete 100%. So it's take little bit longer, and we need to wait for a moment. Okay, now our computer is restarting now. We don't press any key from keyboard right now. We need to ignore our keyboard. So it's restarting, and we don't press any key right now in keyboard. Okay, start loading Windows 10 operating system logo. While restarting third time, we don't press any key in keyboard. And now we need to choose our country region here and click on S, and keyboard layout I'm going to choose as US S, and then now I'm going to skip this second keyboard layout, and here asking to connect Wi-Fi network or Ethernet network. So in this time I'm going to click on skip for now options, and here now I'm going to input username and click on next options, and you can set your password to input here, but today I'm going to set up this PC without password. So now I'm going to click on next options, and here now I'm going to choose no options. Okay, finally our Windows 10 operating system installation process has been successfully complete in this desktop PC. Now I can use this PC with Windows 10 operating system. So you can also fix your desktop PC like this. And I hope you understand this video. If you have any confusion in this video, please leave the comment in comment section below. If you like this video, please like and share with your friends. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I will meet with another useful video. Till the next video, bye bye. Namaste.